It's morning, it's windy, and I'm taking off for parts unknown and time unknown. But yeah, the Pacifica is packed. Tay's in the back. So come with me on a journey to who knows where. And yeah, I got bit by a mosquito. Whatever. Let's go. Back at Site 35 and new picnic tables next to the fire ring. Today I'm going to set the tent up near the power pillar. Just a really quick view of what I did. I have an X pen. Actually, I have two of them. And I put them around the tent so that we can, in the tent, have a heater. I'm charging my portable solar chargers. I'm getting ready to go to bed, watch some Netflix. And for light, I have a little light. This trip was purposely for tent camping with a dog. The other thing that you can't see is on the top there's air mesh, and I took an old blanket and put it on top. I'm gonna go outside and show you. Because there's too much ventilation for winter. It's about 42 out right now, but there's the tent, there's the blanket, which used to be a sleeping bag. It died. And speaking of things that died, my Easy Up gave up the ghost on this trip. There was very, very strong wind and it twisted the frame. So yeah, that's something to take care of tomorrow. So this is called making a mess out of your tent, or tent cooking it, 4 a.m. And yeah, I found a little $9 toaster. Normally when I'm camping, I would do this outside, but it's 4 a.m. The dog is starved. And I just, for some reason, can't sleep tonight, so I thought I'd make a quick breakfast snack. We had a very windy night last night. It's still going to be windy today. I'm at my favorite campsite. This is a place that actually has no problem with me filming on the premises, even though it is a campground. So that's what I'm going to do. I have had people ask me, what do I do with my cast iron after I've cooked with it? One of the things I do is I keep it kind of wrapped. And when I do get home, I season it. But keeping it wrapped, seasoning it when you get home, keeping it clean is all very important. When I'm done cooking, because I was asked by a couple of people, I use these. What they are is they are fruit and vegetable wipes. You can get, I mean, it's not necessarily this manufacturer. It's just the one that I happen to have picked up. But you can wipe everything out and it is clean. It's also great for rinsing your fruit and vegetables. First, I'm gonna get my stove hooked up. This is going to be a chicken, asparagus, peppers, whatever I had hanging around in my refrigerator, stir fry. So I want to start off with some olive oil. And be generous with it, it's good for you. I'm just gonna let that get warm for a few minutes. It's extremely windy, so this is probably gonna be the worst hair day you've ever seen me have. Touching things that are hot, don't do that at home. I've got hands that I can't feel, so chef's hands. Oh, that's not a good onion. So go with a fresh one. Yep. Brand new onion from the store. And don't worry, I'm throwing things on the ground, but I'm not. I am, but I'm not. I will pick it up. Let's see. Hey, it's still red. I'm not going for really small pieces. Because this is kind of a stir fry. Sorry, I just got something in my eye. Heat. Sorry, I was watching a bird. Last night was not the most restful night in the world. You probably can't see it on here, but I killed my Easy Up or my Pop Up, whatever it's called. The wind got it. The wind got my tent. I was running around after everything. It just was not a restful night. The reason I put chicken stock in It's going to help it develop some flavor. With things like fennel, you want to put it in at this stage so that it can reconstitute. So red pepper flake, fennel, pepper. And before I cover it, when I'm at home, I pre-clean chicken or beef or whatever I'm going to use, and I put it in Ziploc bags, store it in the freezer, and when I know I'm going to be on the road, I just bring it with. Now for the great reveal. A properly seasoned pan is very easy to clean once you're done with your food. Something I've been asked many times is why my cast iron is nice and shiny inside. Well, because it's original old stuff, not the new stuff. This is a really gorgeous place. Up in here is a common area, and they've also got cabins. When it's time to exit the tent, there's nothing like a hound that wants to bolt. He's very friendly, but I don't want him to escape, so I attach that to my tent. Speaking of tents, we had 40-mile-an-hour winds the other night, and yeah, it stayed together, and it was also like 40 degrees. Not horrible, but a hound gets cold. So, that's our mess. That's Tay's bed. So, what's that? Well, it's a flashlight, sort of. You wear it around your neck, and it has flashlight on both sides. My husband's always looking for things at Christmas to get me for camping and traveling, and yeah, walking the dog at 2 a.m. I just put that around my neck and I'm hands-free. It's wonderful.